Own a Ram truck in California? In 2024, owners of Ram trucks in California reported these top 5 defect categories. Number 1, rear camera failures via software visibility faults. Like other Stellantis brands, some Ram trucks had backup camera display issues when reversing. Number 2, steering column control module SCCM or turn signal defects. Reports exist of signal cancellation failures, perhaps tied to internal module Weld bus bar issues. While specific Ram bulletins may be less public, analogous issues exist across related models. Number 3, Weld or bus bar quality issues. Some newer trucks had structural electrical component concerns that may lead to failure or safety hazard. Number 4, recall logistics, parts delays, or stop sale notices. When the remedy is delayed, owners end up in limbo, increasing frustration and lemon law risk. Number 5, lemon law relief for unresolved defects. If the defect persists despite multiple attempts to repair, the vehicle may qualify for a buyback, replacement, or cash award in California. When defects like these persist after multiple repair attempts and impair use, value, or safety, California's lemon law offers buyback, replacement, or cash compensation. If you believe you may have a claim, visit lemonlawhelp.com or call 833-2088-181 and get your vehicle evaluated.